follow me?
Ooh, it's loud.
Oh. God. Oh my god, it's shaking the water. That's actually so cool. Okay.
Alright, so first thing you do is take the lid off.
Take the lid off.
Good. Now pull up the machine. Good. You can put it on the counter. Or actually, I'll give you a bucket. Hold on. Hold on. Move, Queenie.
Is she here? Oh my god! Oh my goodness!
Here, put it in the bucket.
I didn't even know she followed us. Okay.
Now we always take the machine out before we turn it off, so now the compost tea gets inside the tube. Now shut it off. It's under there.
Shut it. Under where?
Underneath the table.
Underneath what table, dude? Oh, it is.
Nope. Yeah. Good. All right. Now we get the spray bottle. It's over there. Good.
Just gonna scoop off the lid, I guess.
I would just submerge it and then let all the bubbles come out.
Should I submerge? Is this like a safe to touch?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Go.
It looks so swampy.
Yeah, it's just molasses and humic.
Okay.
No. Put the lid in inside there so it all spills out inside. Nope. You missed the whole tube. Like, come on, man. Yeah.
I know. Oh, I lost it! Oh my god, who does that? Oh, it's heavy. Oh god, it's heavy.
Spit it.
I don't want to go somewhere like me. Okay. Is this like manure?
No, it's worm castings.
Manure.
Manure's from cows.
Yeah, but it's bit.
All right, grab it.
Okay.
Let's go over to the plants. Or I should say the seedlings.
Okay, Queenie's pooping.
Over there.
Hello, Queen. Can I help her out?
Yeah, let Queenie up. Kinley's gonna want up. Ain't you, Julie? Look how he ran, like he was actually gonna jump. Actually, he ran like he was gonna jump.
Down inside. Down inside.
Hi, Princess. Hi, Princess. Hi, baby. Wait.
I'm leaving.
I have to lock the gate because some people just walk in and walk on by.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Ah! My God, Princess. She's just happy. She's a happy dog.
Happy girl.
She's a happy girl. She's a happy girl. Yeah, so happy.
She wants down. She's so indecisive. Oh my god.
All right, so what we got here?
We got. Wait, I know parsley.
Good.
We got parsley. We got purple lettuce.
Yep.
I knew it. Purple lettuce, some more parsley.
What's inside the parsley?
Is that what parsley?
This one.
This one? Soil? Over here?
Obviously. Ooh, what is this? Carrot.
This is a carrot? Can I have the carrot?
It's over there.
I actually don't know what this is. Beet. It did look like a little plant. Beets, some more parsley, some normal lettuce.
Uh-huh.
I can say that with confidence. Ooh, it's peppermint.
No.
It's not peppermint.
Greek oregano.
It's oregano.
And basil.
And basil.
No, that big one.
That basil. And what's this?
Greek oregano, same thing. You can't tell it's the same plant?
No, look.
It's not.
This.
Oh.
That's like little curves.
Oh, that one?
I said it was. Can I taste it?
It might be mint. You might be right, yeah.
I know it's mint.
It's mint? Okay, my bad. All right, so the reason why we're spraying the compost tea is because this looks like it's getting attacked by something that's ravishing it and starting to spread to the other ones. So we're gonna spray it and just give it a little boost.
Okay.
Go ahead, my darling.
yeah, I forgot. I have to. Ah!
That is such a shame. Who wears their nice shoes in the garden?
It's not nice shoes, but I was like, didn't expect to count my skirt.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, I need to see more problems. Hope.
You didn't seal it properly. That's why, man. Tight.
Okay, it's tight.
Yeah, that makes more sense.
Okay. Okay, I can't flush anymore. Wow.
Spray the leaves. Raining for the leaves.
It's gonna make it look like it's rain. Make them feel like it's rain. It's not.
Yeah, this one will work.
Okay, that's good enough.
Yeah, this soil is so hard. I don't even know how these things are growing. Like, that's amazing. Amazing.
You guys are amazing. Just kidding.
And try to get under the leaves as well.
I need more. Okay, oh my god. Worm manure on me.
And the wall.
Okay, it's a wall. It's not a real person. Like, I'm worse. Like, how am I gonna come back from this? I'm kidding. Chicken manure. I mean,
Aim for the ones that are really damaged.
this is perfect.
Try to get underneath. There you go.
I see.
Underneath. You got this.
Wow, look how much we used. Ready? Okay, I forgot Kenny can get down by himself.
No, he's still looking.
He's not.
Yeah.
That's Nigel. Okay. He looks like a lot like his father.
Look at that one in the corner. Make sure you get underneath it. Left corner. Yeah. Alright, looking good. Next. So right now what we're doing is called inoculation.
Congratulations.
Reason why we want to inoculate with good bacteria and fungi is so that it outcompetes the bad bacteria and fungi. And that way we'll have healthy plants. So we're spreading the good bacteria. How we know it's good bacteria? Because we use air to
Soft it.
grow them. And only the good bacteria like air.
Bad bacteria don't like air.
No, they don't. Let me rotate it.
That really flooded one day. Like when we ran out of air. Ooh, there's something else growing in here, but I don't know if it's a weed, but it doesn't look like weed. It looks kind of looks like weed.
Definitely weed.
No, it's like green stuff though.
Yeah. Rotate. Rotate these guys. Make sure you get underneath. Good.
Probably like really hard to believe that once again.
What?
They have another daughter because she's never Yep. Bad other daughter.
Oh, we're gonna have our own lettuce soon. Won't that be exciting?
Oh yeah.
Alright, next.
I don't actually remember if I liked purple lettuce.
Tastes the same.
I probably would.
It's just the color.
Oh my god, but that would make your lettuce look so funky. Make your salad. It's like tomato rain. I look a little princess.
Right?
Could you eat this?
Yeah.
It's like yeah. squirt in my mouth, I'll be okay. How's it taste?
I've never tried it. Like water.
Can I taste it?
If you want to. My science teacher on the internet did.
Okay, let's do it. If I get sick,
Oh my
we're
god.
gonna have a problem. I'm scared.
Oh, just spray. Come on, man. Like I'm wasting film here.
I want to try it, but I'm too scared to. Like, it seems fun. Oh, okay, it's still going. Oh wow, why pump more? It still goes. This is such a better way of doing it. You just pump it while it leaves.
Don't forget, you gotta get under the leaf as well, not just on top of the leaf. Stay right together with you.
I love her. Hello, my little dog peeking under the table. Remember when she was a baby and she was inside the house? And we had a glass table so you could see her and she would sit underneath our feet.
You
And
gotta
she would
move
just
it around.
look.
You're just like pouring
And
it.
then she would look at us. I'll come on to that. And be like, give me food!
That's it.
Ew.
You're just holding it in one spot. Spraying means you're moving it around. You're just getting lazy. Yeah. Alright, last time.
See this lovely weather.